Alright, to end this busy week, we've been busy and thank God our dyno is back up and running. But we happen to have a 302 engine, one of our 315 packages. Gentleman wanted a couple of special things on here we did for him. He chose something and we put it on. But again, this has to be one of our 315s. I think it made 330 horse and about 350 torque. Pretty nice looking motor. Again, you want something, we can build it for you. So if you're interested in any one of our builds, give us a call. Thank you. Alright Pete, I got your motor here on the dyno. It happens to be for your 67 Ford Mustang. You needed a few things on there. You wanted a special cam and you wanted your water pump. We accomplished that for you. I believe it was an intake too. So, I'm going to fire it up for you.